Let's go. Willie says, let's go. Are you ready, Willie? What are we gonna go do? Let's go look at the Volkswagen, huh, Willie? Are you ready? Let's go find some Volkswagens. All right, let's go. Come on, come on. It's Volkswagen hunting time. Hold on, Willie, we don't need all that in there. Oh, are you ready to go? That's a dog that's ready to go. He loves buses. Come on, sit. Good boy, Willie. All right. Hey, good morning, VW Lifers. Good morning, Willie boy. What you doing? Well, today is a good day because we are doing something that, I don't know if you can read that. Look at that. It's called VW Leads. And so I got my trusted sidekick here, old Willie. And Willie boy, you and me, Willie can sniff out Volkswagens. I've trained him. Are you trained? Sit. Are you trained to sniff out Volkswagens? You can get, hey, did you see him find Jerry? He found Jerry. You can find Volkswagens, can't you? So that's what we're doing today. We got a couple of VW Leads, and we got more than a couple, but we're gonna go check out one specifically this morning. Stay with us, everybody. This thing might be what they call a diamond in the rough, or it might be just a rough diamond. I don't know, one or the other, but we're ready. Are you ready, Willie? Are you ready? Are you ready, Willie boy? All right, Willie's ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Well, here we are. Well, man, I appreciate you taking your time on this Saturday morning. Let me come out here and see what you got.
Oh, that's no problem at all. I got it plus a bunch of other parts, man, dotted.
Yeah.
And it's just, like I say, it's mostly parts. But I've been thinking of cutting the body up for all the components.
Yeah?
But it's still got the windshield wiper assembly still in it, the wiring harness is still in it, and the body pan is on it.
Right?
But if you look up here, and you see why it's sitting there.
Holy moly. Yeah. The frame horn just cracked.
Yeah.
That's a crack. That's not cut.
Yeah, that's cracked.
Yeah.
Now let me see something else.
Holy smokes. Oh, yeah, there's a Volkswagen right next to it, too.
Yeah, that's a body. That's all it is.
Wow.
There's no body pan to it.
Just a body, huh? You know, I got a buddy just picked up a pan. So this might be of interest to him.
The fender on this side's been got wiped out here, but this body can be picked up with 4 people.
Yeah.
The column is in it, the wiring is in it, and you can put it on another pan, just lickety split.
Yeah.
With no problem at all.
It doesn't look, it looks pretty darn solid.
It's pretty solid. It's been sitting out here. It's rusted out here. It had blue paint on it and it's just some bleached it out.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's all right. It's that burn like that people like now. It doesn't look too bad. I don't know what the heater channels are like.
I don't know at this point in time.
It's hard to say, you know, it's hard to say.
And then that body over there, it was left for somebody to put up, but the body pan on it's good.
Been a little crunch here on the front.
But I think that's repairable.
I think, yeah. I love the patina on it, that burn, that looks good. Probably about a 70, 71.
I think so.
Got the half moons on it.
Here,
Oh, there's another one
a friend
there.
of mine cut it up, and but the cabin, that lends itself to being used for parts. Really.
Well, look here, it's got a beam on it.
That body pan's in good shape.
So it's got a ball joint beam.
Yeah.
And then,
I bolted that beam on so it could be rolled.
so you can roll it, yeah. Got the front clip cut here.
Yeah, I didn't cut it. That body is in real good shape. There's some more parts.
Yeah, I got some oil bath and some fan shrouds.
Oh yeah.
Here, generator stand.
I got generator stand and alternator stand, both.
Yeah, here's all. Oh yeah, here's an alternator here. Another late model motor here with the doghouse oil cooler.
Yeah.
Oh look, there's a pop-out windows in it.
Yep.
That's pretty good.
Those
Woo!
bring pretty good money these days.
Yeah, the late model one's not too bad. Boy, there's some stuff. There's a big old wasp nest.
Is there a wasp?
Yeah, ain't no wasp in it though.
Oh,
But
they
it's
are.
bigger than your fist. Oh, here we go. Got making a buggy, huh?
Yeah, I built this out of junk. I laid it out and then started welding it together. This hand is a Super Beetle, but I bolted a late model Kingpin front end on
You
it,
sure did.
and then this is a bus transaxle.
Holy cow, got RGBs on the back there, huh?
It's got
Yes,
the
it
gear
does.
reduction boxes on it.
Yeah, it does. Holy smokes.
And I put that together myself.
This thing would climb on anything.
Yeah, you put a 16 or 1700 motor in, they get up and pump.
I'll be darned.
It for it. I'll pop the head and get it fixed up and checked out.
Right?
And I'm gonna see if I get. I paid $100 for this, and the frame, metal wise, is worth $100.
Oh my gosh, it's they don't make metal like that anymore.
And but these are not froze up.
Yeah, I'll be darned. So you would turn this into a big old compressor, huh?
It's a compressor now. He's using for blasting, and I already bought the parts and pieces. And I get this where it works. I'm gonna make some air filters because this is the inlet, and this is the exhaust of it. And I'm gonna put some other pieces and stuff, and I'll have it running where I can blast quite a bit that way.
I love it. Man, what a hey, talking about never running out of air. You know, on blasting, you could blast forever with this.
The guy said he ran it and the compressor's locked up because he's running it too high RPM. I've already got the plug wires, I got a distributor for it, now I got the carburetor for it. I bought the head gaskets. I'll tear it apart, throw some labor into it, get it working, and if I get it running, bingo.
Well, all right. I like it. There's definitely some good stuff. I'm definitely interested. Yeah. Man.
I had a guy, he's interested in this for the transaction for his bus. I know what he wants it for.
Yeah. That's interesting. We'll have to talk about that one. I like that one.
part of a wrecked bus.
It is.
And I cut the front back of it off and sold the front end. It got hit real hard in the side. And it's got the suspension tube still in it at the bottom and stuff. And I want to turn it into a blast cabinet.
Oh, I like that idea.
But my deck lid's missing.
Yeah, a hatch and a deck lid.
And there was one on it. Somebody been out here and stole it.
No, you think? Holy cow, how the heck did they get to it? Right through here. Look, with this fence down, I bet you.
Yeah.
That's an old panel.
But I can probably find another one. Unless I've got it off and it's stashed somewhere else.
That's an old panel bus.
And
With the whole torsion bar, it's got the frame horns and everything. God dang. Wow. That blast cabinet's a heck of a good idea.
I saw one done and I thought
Yeah. Oh, it is.
IRS transaction.
Yeah.
And now
Yeah, we may have to figure out a plan on that because I need a
I've got
transaction.
granny strips on it.
I found some the other day. They'd been sitting.
So long.
And the bottom, that magnesium was just like rotten.
Oh yeah.
You could just pick it with your fingers
That's
and
in
pick
better
it.
shape right there.
Yeah, that ain't too bad. See what we can find wheel wise.
I'll take 60 for that.
All right.
That's probably a little low, but
Yes, sir. Well, that way you're gonna have some money in your pocket for the day, and I'm not going home empty-handed. All right. This 14 here. That's a bus 14. Oh no! Look at there.
was it rusted through?
It got a hole in it. That's a sport beetle.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah, that thing is just gone. It's set up there and got water sitting on it. Dad, burn it.
Yeah, that one rotted.
Holy moly.
It was probably bad. That's the real reason it was out here, because it was just so thin I didn't mess with it.
All right, 6 wheels and a transmission for $100. Gotta like that. That's how you make deals in this day and age, folks. Well, they say, work smarter, not harder. So I found this 2-wheeler buried in the dirt. Now, it's carrying a transmission and 2 wheels. I'm still breathing hard. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Thank you, brother. It's a pleasure. I will be in touch with you regarding those other stuff too. Okay? Does that sound good?
Sound good.
I'm
gonna call the other guy so you better get your ass out here, because I've already had somebody buying some stuff.
Yeah, that's right. I got cash money talks, right? You know what they say about that? Money talks and BS walks.
But they come up. I was telling him.
Caitlin likes that.
Yeah, I do. Hi.
Well, VW Lifers, that's what it's all about. What do you think, Willie? We found some stuff. We got from Mark, we got some wheels, a couple of smoothies, a 67 only, and a couple of 4-luggers, a bus shifter, IRS transmission, and a split bus steering column. Pretty good, huh? What do you think, Willie? You're pretty excited. You look excited. Thanks, Mark, for letting us tromps around out there. What a cool dude. And thank y'all for coming along with us today. Absolutely, that's what it's all about to me, man. That is it. Just looking and hearing stories and seeing what people have. And we will be back. There's a lot of stuff to come out here and to possibly get some more. So thank y'all. Make sure you hit us up at All Metric Garage. Get your Texas Junk Kings shirts, stickers, your VW Life stuff. And don't forget, tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. Go out and find a junkyard or some stuff where there's a bunch of stuff. Junk, Volkswagen junk, and all kinds of other junk. Willie says go for it, right? Right, Willie? All right, guys, we'll see y'all later. Thanks for joining us today, everybody. there's more. So hang on. Let's see what we can find. Willie boy, what time is it? Time to accomplish lunch. Whataburger, ketchup burger, fries. They don't get any better than this. Oh, and an ice cold Dr. Pepper. Well, the Scirocco is gone. I'm only following a 4-year-old lead. That's on me. But a Beetle lead I had, a 67, still there. So left a note and a card, so we'll see what happens on that. But we are accomplishing lunch. Well, I am. Willie's just sitting here. No lunch for Willie. And that might be a wrap.